Welcome back to Karis Investment. It's another video, guys. I want to congratulate anyone who got to sell and made a huge profit on MRIN software this morning. As I mentioned in my last video, I have been trading like crazy this morning, made a few successful trades, uh, sold off a few extra shares in companies that I was waiting to pop, and I bought up a few extra shares in companies that drops as well. So if you have not yet been subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button below. We make videos of stocks that we understand will make a huge profit. If you watch my last video back in July, I've been following MRIN software for quite some time. I made a huge profit back in the summer in June. I let you guys know ahead of time that says, hey, at $5.80 to buy in, we see that we go on and crosses $27 per share. So if you guys made a profit in that run, highly congratulate you guys right away. Now, guys, as always, please do your research to make sure you understand the risks involved before you invest in the stock market. Just got to point that out there. Now, let's take a look at MRIN software. Now, we're not going to look back in June, July, or August because we understand where the market was. But let's take a look back in the last 5 days. Yes, guys, in the last 5 days, we have seen a ton of activities from MRIN software. Now, just this past Monday, which is 2 days back, we saw MRIN software touches at $4.98 a few times before closing off the day just around $5.05. So if you got in to make some profit, that would have been a great opportunity. Now, fast forward back to today. We're looking at the market right now. Now, it is a great idea, guys, to set a goal in mind and follow your plan. Now, for example, guys, as usual, I let you know if I buy into a company, if it starts to pull back, I will buy more shares. And if it crosses that point where I need to take a profit, I'll take a profit of the extra shares that I invested. Now, if you guys have been following for the past year, this is a strategy. Now, we understood that we made a lot of profit back in June. So obviously, our main capital that we invest in MRIN software that was taken out. Now, we did a few trades back and forth with strictly profit, made more profits. We sat back and wait. In the last 2 weeks, guys, I've picked up shares in the $6.10 and $5.80, $5.60. And of course, once it breaks $5 per share, I bought up a lot of shares in the $5.10 before the recovery. And guys, I was excited right now to say, hey, we were able to sold. Now, I did sell a little bit earlier than I should this morning, but that's totally okay, right? Never be too greedy, guys. Just make sure that you're taking a profit. Now, I had a sell order in the system that was set for $10.18. Now, I normally try to sell or buy any stocks that I buy with an 8 either in it or at the end. Right? It's just a lucky thing. It's a superstitious thing that um, I just always like that 8 numbers. Now, the bad thing is though my order was executed at $10 and around I think $10.64, which I hate when my stock selling the with anything with four. But the reason being because the market opens up at $10.58, and I guess it just triggers my order, and it sold at $10.64. Now, again, as I mentioned in the last video I was making, is that I went back in and I bought up some shares at $8.58. Now I will have a stop loss in place just around $9.18. So if it does sell, that's fine by me. That's not a big deal. So I'm still making profits. Now, if you guys are going into this trade, be cautious. And I have to say, be cautious because we have seen MRIN pull back quite very often in the last few weeks or months. So make sure that you're doing your research. I strongly suggest that you trade with a stop loss to protect you from losing any capital in this trade today because the market is taking the news with the Crypto marketing platform and the stock is going banana. So until next time, as I always say, guys, like, share, and subscribe, and peace out.